55 Chevy time. Take a look at this. Nice looking regular cab, step side, short box. Underneath the hood, powered by a 350 Chevrolet V8. That is paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. So you got kind of a stock looking truck, but yet set up very nicely for going down the road, almost a little more like a street rod. This truck was actually done about 6 to 7 years ago tops, 5-6 years ago, from the gentleman that built this. Wanted to do it up the way he wanted, so he did it himself, and he did a nice job. I'm going to go through some of the equipment, things on this. This will make somebody a very nice truck to cruise in. Let's take a look at the headlight surrounds, front grille, chrome up front, very nice shape. Good shine to it. As far as the paint, obviously not being very old, it has a good luster to it. I've not really noticed much for flaws in it. You might have some little imperfections in the clear. I guess if I was being really fussy, and I don't even know if I can hardly get them to show up on the camera or in the pictures, it's really tough. Maybe like that right there, if you can kind of see that. Very minute. Gentleman did a good job. This one will show well at any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. So we got a 350 underneath the hood, like I said, paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, and I mean the fan blows and it's cold, it'll freeze you right out of the cab. Aluminum radiator, also cruise control, so nice equipment underneath the hood. You want to check out that engine bay. Take a look at the still pictures. There's probably around 100 pictures of this car or truck online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Now, take a look at how straight these body panels are, doors, fenders. Just take a look up and down the side of that truck. Riding on steel wheels, obviously with the chrome beauty rings and center caps. Back here to the step side. Again, paint. Nice, showable condition. Take a look at the bed. Wood in nice shape. One thing you're not going to notice back here is a gas fill. Kept the tank in the stock location, so you're going to have the fill cap on the driver's side. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And look at the great look at this truck from behind. Chevrolet letters blacked out. Nice, clean lower valance. Just set up beautifully, done right. Again, still pictures so you can see the underside of this, engine bay, interior, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side. And again, you can see how straight it is. You can see how the seams line up, how straight they are. Just done right. You don't always see that in these vehicles that are put together and somewhat customized from new, but this one still has that stock look to it, but yet the amenities are more of a late model truck. All right, so you'll also notice we have a tilt column here. There's some aftermarket gauges down under the dash. I'll show you. Door panels, of course, the black and red theme carrying on through the interior with the vinyl and cloth bench seat. Headliner, nicely finished also. Sorry about the glare. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Keeping the stock looking gauge cluster and speedometer. We believe, according to the previous owner, 5,122. That was since built. Nice clean dash. Look at how that AM/FM stereo's put in, and it does work. Here's your little after the fat gauge cluster. Aftermarket. What brand are they? Have to see. Anyway, one for oil pressure, one for water temp. There's your controls for the AC, and like I said, that fan will blow you out of here, and it is cold. The AC works great. Dash painted to match the exterior of the truck. All looking good in here. Seat, very nice condition. No rips, tears. Great sounding too. I want you to hear this. Magnaflows on it. How nice that door closes. It's gonna make the next owner happy, no doubt about that. Listen to that good sounding exhaust. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this just a second. Let's get the hood open. I wanted to check out this engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So nothing over the top here. We have aluminum radiator, Champion brand it looks like. Nice built shroud. That'll serve the purpose. There's your power brakes, AC, cruise control box, power steering is also down there. Headers, but just, again, nothing crazy over the top, kind of looking stock, but has amenities that you once got on a 55. We just kept it nice and neat and tidy, and that thing runs smooth. Sometimes it's what you don't hear when you open the hood. And that's how this one is. Just nice and smooth running. 350 small block Chev. Nice equipment, good look, good looking truck right here. 507-386-1726. Give us a call. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.